Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Launchpad. Create and verify your account, enable 2FA, and fund your spot wallet to prepare for launch participation. Browse active and upcoming projects, read white papers, and assess token allocations and sale mechanics. Decide allocation strategy, stake BNB or required tokens if needed, and monitor snapshot times closely. After sale, claim tokens, review vesting schedules, and track performance in your portfolio. Researching projects thoroughly reduces risks and improves your chances on Binance Launchpad. Check the team background, tokenomics, and community activity, and read the white paper closely. Verify token allocation, sale format, and vesting terms to understand potential dilution. Review past performance of similar launches and consider market conditions before participating. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and diversify allocations across projects to prepare your wallet and funds ahead of time to meet snapshot or staking requirements for Binance Launchpad sales. Monitor announcement channels and snapshot windows to ensure you qualify, and avoid last-minute transactions that might not confirm. When staking is required, follow instructions precisely to lock the correct amount for the proper duration. After distribution, promptly claim tokens, note vesting schedules, and adjust positions based on performance and risk tolerance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.